Hello guys and welcome to a new tutorial with the Nubian Tech Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to set the timer in the Smart Audiobook Player. The sleeping timer. How to set the sleeping timer. The first thing that we're going to do, we're going to go to Smart Audiobook Player. Then we're going to go to Settings. Then we're going to go to Sleeping Timer. And we're going to adjust it. For example, it might take me for about 30 minutes to sleep, to fall asleep. So 15 minutes might not be, appropriate for everybody. I think 20 minutes is more appropriate for me. So yeah, I'm gonna put it on 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna start playing my audiobook. For example, Jordan B. Peterson 12 Rules for Life. Then,
Importantly, such things as emotions and dreams, as well as hunger, thirst, and pain.
See that
It is such things, experienced personally, that are the most fundamental elements of human life from the archaic, dramatic perspective. And they are not easily reducible to the detached and objective, even by the modern reductionist materialist mind.
Thanks for watching and see you later. If you didn't like the video, make sure to press the dislike button. If you like the video, make sure to press the like button. Make sure to comment down below. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. And
Objective.
see you later.